Welcome back to Eliza's World. Today, this is Mom.
Hi.
Mom.
Hi.
I'm Eliza, and this is Fierce. She's unboxing this perfect bubbly surprise. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Eliza's World. And also, check out our Instagram at Eliza's World X.
Eliza World Kiss.
Yes. Because somebody stole our name.
Oh, yeah. Can't help it.
Yeah.
Can't help it.
Yeah.
But we're Eliza World
We could
Kiss.
sue.
No. So come follow us on there, because what you'll get is sneak peeks of what videos we've got coming up, and you may even be able to vote on what video you'd like to see next or what videos we want to do. So come and follow us.
I want to see that jelly one.
Ooh, jelly. Interesting. Why are we here today, Eliza?
To unbox the bubbly surprise.
This box was $29.99, but you can get it on offer in places, and it comes in orange and pink.
Oh, yeah, we got orange.
We got the orange one.
No, it's bronze. It isn't orange.
Sorry. This comes in bronze or pink.
So, guys, this is the bubbly surprise. I like it because it's a very nice bronze orangey colour.
Always get an adult to do these
Yes.
bits because they are very tough and you don't want to cut your fingers.
That was a sharp. And yes, I forgot, this is Fierce.
Show it to the camera. So you're going to peel off the label carefully, is that right?
Yeah, we're going to pick the right now. Now we can just
Why do you
flip
want
the
to...
switch.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that was beautiful. Now we got it. Are you ready? Let's do this. Oh, wow. God. That was so easy. It was so easy because it was easy. It's the heart for the bubbly surprise.
Right.
Take that off. Oh, wow. Everyone, look at that. That's beautiful. There's 6 balls, but only 3 has kinetic sand in.
So what's in each of the balls, do you know already?
I mean 3 is for the pets and 3 is for the big sister.
Oh,
This one because it's special. Okay, Fierce wants to open this
Do it
one.
on camera.
Fierce wants to open this one. Oh wow, it's kinetic sand.
Okay.
No, it's moon sand. Whee! You're sure. Oh wow, it looks like they were in something so they didn't get messy. That's so cute. They're really cute. Can I try them on? Can I try them on? You guys saw nothing.
Okay, that's fine.
This is going to be more moon sand. Moon sand. Can you see that? Moon sand time to squash. This is the peachy colour. Wow!
What's that? It's a tail.
It's a tail. Oh, a pet. I forgot about the pet. It's some more moon sand, and this time it's cracked. Time for splash it. Wee. Ooh. Oh, it's an outfit. I need to try on this outfit. Ah. Are you okay? Oh my god, Fierce, next time be careful. Oh my god. I hope they're cute.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Wow. Oh my god. This is more beautiful and precious than anything ever.
Let me just show camera.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh.
Pick it up and hold it up then. Oh, we got Dave. Sorry, Dave, were you upset that we didn't introduce you? Right, so now we need to open the bubble surprise up.
Okay,
and get some water.
This is weird. She's never done this before. Now it's time to get it undone.
Wow. Oh, should have held it over there really.
Okay, Fierce, are you ready? Yeah!
Whoa! That's a real fizz. It didn't fizz like that before.
Smells like grapefruit.
What's that? What's that?
It really does smell like grapefruit. It's so physical. Oh wow, I think we need to flip it.
Okay.
Other side is getting tried and it looks like macaroni and cheese. No.
Oh, we got
Oh wow! Oh,
real
wow.
life plastic there.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow!
I've got to say, this is one of the fizziest ones I've ever seen.
Was there any pun intended in that?
No.
There wasn't pun intended in physical.
Yeah. Wow.
I don't like the smell, so I'm keeping away.
Don't you like the smell?
Yeah.
Oh, I do actually like the smell. Oh, wow, the whole top just fell off then. Okay,
I really can't wait.
so go on then, you unbox.
Wow!
Wow.
Oh wow! Oh! Oh!
Wow, how many surprises are inside? There's a doll.
Wait, no. We always need to flatten out the blind bags because there might be some surprises.
So there's 3 blind bags inside the heart.
I wish there was 4.
Me too.
And Dad just broke its body. Dad
What's
just
this
broke
one
it.
now? Is that another outfit?
No, that's the bottle. I'm gonna open the bottle.
Okay.
The bottle.
Oh,
the
that's
purple
a
bottle.
cute colour.
I'm gonna drink out of
Can I
it.
just show you?
Yeah. Wonderful. That water was really seawater.
So which one are you going to open next? Are you going to open
The pet.
the pet?
Because I accidentally broke its head off.
Uh-oh. Oh no, emergency. Oh, she's so cute.
Oh yes.
She looks like Charlie. Charlie was my old cat. Oh. She is the cat's meow.
I can't wait. I'm opening the doll without you. I'm here.
Oh, look at her hair.
Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything?
Oh, her hair is so pretty. Really iridescent. That's good. Oh, she's naked.
This is Captain BB. And I'm Captain Kitten.
Oh.
The boys. Oh, thank you. I need to. Can I just wear this outfit for a sec? Well, stylish.
So what do you think of this bubble surprise then, Eliza?
I think it was a 10 out of 10. Fierce. My mum didn't ask you.
Let me just
She
get a
asked
bottle.
me. But I think it's a 10 out of 10 too. It was all in 10 out of 10. I'm wearing an outfit just so I have to be here. And it was all in 10 out of 10.
With 3 outfits.
It came with my outfit, that outfit, and that outfit.
Okay, so it came with an outfit for the kitten, and then a mermaid outfit, a captain's outfit, and then like a swimsuit as well.
I'm gonna go swimming
That's
with
beautiful.
her. Swim, swim, everybody get on into the swim. Swim. Laddies, I think I turned into a mermaid, laddies.
So do you want to try the colour changes then?
Yeah, it's time to now it's time for the cold water change. Let's see, does this change colour? No. That change colour? No. I think I'm next. She's starting to get like a baby suit.
I thought that, and a tattoo. Can you see the tattoo on her leg?
Yeah, I can. That's Treasure's tattoo!
Let's do, can you see that in the camera well, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I think I've got a new score. You got a high score in my book. Wow! It got,
We've got a little tattoo anchor on the front
and some spots on her leg. Let's see what's behind the tail. Get it behind the scenes, behind the tail. Really nothing. Just at the front. So everyone, this is the end of the video, but it's time for Eliza to see what she thinks of my family, my clothes, the shoes, and the whole thing. I give the sand a 10 out of 10 because it really is really good sand. Really good quality sand.
Okay.
And, well, the two girls definitely 10 out of 10. They're really good quality, just like everyone's. Oh, thanks. And this little shelving, just like LOL Surprise, very good quality. And just like this,
That outfit's very cute.
the clothes, the blind bags, the fizz, it was very good.
Okay. What I think as a parent is that this full price is £30. Now you normally pay £10, £12 maybe for an LOL in the past. Nowadays they're 15. So if you say that you pay about £6 for a little pet and about £15 for a doll, that would be £21. Now in addition to that, you'd already have the bottle with the doll, and the pet would come with a few clothes. So if you added, what was those fashion gel ones called?
Fashion Crush.
Fashion Crushes. If you added like one Fashion Crush, it would actually be less than the value of the items in the box. But you are getting a storage container, you are getting the experience of the fizz. This was a very good fizz, and I liked that it smelt this time, because the last two big surprise fizzes didn't smell good at all. So I'm glad that they put like a grapefruit smell, which kind of goes with the colours. So that's like a parent's perspective. But playability, how cool is she?
I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you really did.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram to catch up on all of our latest news and gossip.
You guys now have an Instagram?
Yeah, we're Instagold. Got it.
It's the gold.
We do now 2 videos a week, which are normally on the Friday and a Sunday.
Yeah.
So click over here and see our other videos. Consider subscribing, because we are trying to get to 50 subscribers. So 50 subscribers would be amazing. So subscribe, please. Pretty please.
Yeah, pretty please. I'm pretty.
Or Eliza gets it.
I'll get the subscribers. And I need a sandwich.
Well, that's always the case at the end of the video. So let's say goodbye then.
Bye.